Class 100 Speed control of induction motor using variable frequency and variable voltage. So the AC is converted into DC, again converted into AC and given to the induction motor. The first converter is a rectifier, then inverter. This is a phase controlled rectifier. So we can get variable DC here. AC is rectified and filtered by varying the firing angle of the converter. So we can vary voltage by varying the three-phase inverter. We can vary frequency. The control circuit gives gating signals to both rectifier and inverter. Tacho generator will sense the output speed and give a corresponding voltage which is proportional to the speed. V reference will be the set speed. If the actual speed is lesser than V reference, then control circuit will give gating signal to rectifier to increase the voltage. At the same time, it will also give gating signals to the inverter to increase the frequency, so that V by F is kept constant. V by F is maintained constant so that maximum torque is achieved. You know E is equal to 4.44 F phi N. So phi is proportional to E by F or V by F. If phi is made lesser, then utilization of the core is not achieved. If phi is made more, then core will get overheated. Hence, induction motors should be operated at constant E by F. If the actual speed is more than V reference, then reverse operation will take place and alpha will be more, so that DC output will become less, frequency also will become less, so speed will become lesser.